Hey guys, this is All Things Awesome 78, and it's about that time. This is my official 2011 fireworks stash video. Alright, so here we got the Trilogy kit by World Class Fireworks. One of my favorites. It's a 3-break, 18-shot mortar kit. Colors are fantastic. I like pretty much anything World Class puts out. I think they make a real good product. Down here, we've got some festival balls. This is a fantastic deal. I got 2 of these boxes for $15. It was buy one get one free. 6 shots per box. I got some mini bombs here I got for free from Phantom. I got some maximum load by Big Fireworks. Those are excellent for the money. Got some Boomer artillery shells, 1 3/4 inch. Those are buy one get one free as well. Down here I got some Radical recoils from Phantom. Never shot them, but I hear good things. Got the X-Cals, gotta have those. And Super Magnum by World Class. I really like these guys. Just excellent product for the money. Down here we got some assorted rockets. I got your pretty typical mortar rockets. They're X-Factor rockets. Fun. I got some Silver Salute Ultimate Ring rockets. I've never used these before, but looking forward to it. I got some Lucky Space rockets. These things are monstrous. I actually lit one of these the other night. I was pretty curious, and I was pretty impressed. Things just roar up into the sky. Good report too. I got some Phantom smiley face rockets for the kiddies. Here's a 100-shot candle. Some other assorted Roman candles. Got some little silly rockets there to mess around with. Color pearls, Saturn missile batteries. 25 shots, little jumping jacks and snappers and all that. Here's the good stuff. 500 gram Thunder Mountain, 33 shot. It's going to be part of my finale, that and the Bada Bing. I got the Wizard of Oz. I'm real excited about that. I've never shot one, but videos look cool. Mega Mojo, Guerrilla Warfare, really cool repeater. It's kind of rapid fire finale cake, just full tilt. Molten Core, big breaks, love that one. I got 2 of the Tropic Thunders. I'm a big fan of those. Kind of similar to the Guerrilla Warfare, they have really rapid fire, but excellent color. Tunguska Blast, Aerial Avalanche. I got 2 Smoking Hots, kind of panoramic firing. I got the New Yorker. I got 2 Strobe Spectaculars. Those are pretty cool too, really bright. I got some Silver Sonic Warheads. Now for my 200 grams, I got a Broken Heart, Night Waves, Great Expectations, Twist and Shout, Mean Machine, Anger Management, and Crazy Exciting. Crazy Exciting is a great one. I'm going to get all those for free. Jesse James I bought. This is one of my favorites. It's a 200 gram, but it's heavy. Big old monster. The thing I like about this is that it shoots 25 shots, but it's 5 at a time. So it's pretty impressive. Get a couple of those. I got a Shagadelic Mojo from Phantom. Those look pretty cool. Reporting Red. These two Mega Bangers, Purple Passion and Snake Tails, both of those are awesome. Another one of my favorites is Zero Gravity. Just got excellent color. Let me see if I can get a performance. It says 7 big alternating shots of blue tail to deep purple with white glitter. Blue tail to deep purple with green glitter. Nice one. Cheap. I get that for $8. I got a Midnight Monsoon. I got two Swarming Skeeter 19 shots. Those are cool. I got some Outbreaks. They're mines, kind of like Critical Acclaim, except they're not reloadable. And they're dirt cheap. They're under $2 a piece. Get 2 boxes of those. I got some Vapor Trails. Rapid Fire Color Pearls. And I got 2 of the Fiesta Fireworks. Pretty similar to the Vapor Trails. A little bit cheaper though. And then over here, I got this little finale board I put together. I got 2 16-shot cakes and 1 9-shot. I got the Rowdy Rampage, Mean Machine, the Wacky Buccaneer. I got 2 little fountains. They also kick out little whistling color pearl type things. And then in the back row I've got 9 Outbreaks, which are the mines, all quick fused. So I'm hoping they'll all break really rapidly. So it should be pretty cool. I think I've got maybe with buy one get one free and all that jazz. I think I got maybe, I don't know, $25 into this finale board, and it should be pretty good. So it's a good way to go. Yep, and that's it so far. I'll update this as I add to the collection. But I appreciate you watching. And please, if you have any comments or questions, feel free. While you're there, hit that little subscribe button, would you? We'll have some more good videos for you coming up. All right, take it easy.